I guess you're wondering why I'm laughing. Stupid motherfuckers. I'm not kidding you. I'm sitting here, and these people, they get out of the car and they're speaking Spanish or whatever. And I'm like, I'm trying to sit back here and relax, you know. So they walk off and their car goes beep beep, and I'm thinking, okay, car alarm sounds just like mine. So I get halfway over to the mall, and I let mine go off like really loud. The guy walks back there, he beeps it again. He walks back over to it and beeps it again, and walks back towards the mall. I beep the motherfucker again. Beep, 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 beep. He comes back. He's like, That's the motherfucker. He beeps it again, walks back towards the mall. I beep it again. He keeps walking. This time I'm ducked down. Funny, hilarious shit, man. Dumbass fucking Mexicans. Anyways, that's all. Neo Crips out later.